Morning everyone, I'm Nate back with another used bike spotlight of the week. Alright, so for this week's spotlight we have a 2017 CVO Pro Street Breakout. Now this thing has a lot done to it, so I'll just start listing the things that have been done to it. So we have a 117 cubic inch Screamin Eagle kit on here, along with a 58 millimeter throttle body. You got high flow fuel injectors. You got the Screamin Eagle 259E cams on this thing. Perfect fit pushrods. And that Vance & Hines 2-in-1 exhaust, that thing looks dirty. We have the HD heavy breather air cleaner on this one as well. Custom black handlebars along with the braided cables. You have the updated oil cooler, finned headbolt covers for that cleaner look there. You have LED smoked front and rear turn signals, give it that finishing touch. Willie G everything on this thing. You got the Willie G derby cover, you got the timer cover on the other side over here. And then you do have the LED headlight on this thing. I mean, this thing is decked out. All right. If you guys want to come check this thing out in person, feel free to give us a call, ask for one of our sales guys, and they'll hook you up. Thanks, guys. See you next week.